Create this amazing food poster in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 1018 by 1080 pixels. First, change the background color. All the color codes and element names will get into the description box. Go to Elements and search for the digitally embossed image showing the texture of a metal window shutter. Select this. Change the transparency to 15 and rotate it to 45 degrees angle. Adjust the size to cover the full page. Now add a noise element. Change the transparency to 20. Go to Shape and add a triangle shape. Change the color. Corner rounding will be 100. Adjust the size and position. Now, upload the product image. Adjust the size and position. Go to Elements and add a shadow. Go to the position and drag it under the image. Add a text. Change the color to the background color. Change the font to Anton and make it uppercase. Decrease the letter spacing. Adjust the size and position, and also adjust the size of the product image. Add another text. Change the font to Smooch. Change the color to orange. Go to Elements and add an Instagram heart emoji. Make it duplicate. Go to Elements and add a Boom Comic sales discount icon. Change the color to white. Add a text. Change the color to white. Make it duplicate and change the color to orange. Select both text and change the font to Poppins. Add a cart icon and change the color to orange. Add a text and change the color to orange. Change the font to Poppins. Duplicate this text and change the color to white. Add an Order Now button. Change the color to orange. Add a call icon. And set the color to orange. Duplicate this text and write the phone number. Now, duplicate this text and add the website name. Lastly, take the final adjustment if needed. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.